What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something special for you. Today we are going to be resurrecting the drag car, the Fox body coupe that's in the intro. We're about to be bringing it back to life. It got built over the winter, and pretty much the weather here has been so crappy that we couldn't do anything with it. So today's the day. We're going to bring it back, and as always, we got a familiar face. Say what's up.
The weather's been awesome.
Yeah, you see what we're dealing with here. We're not able to get the car out. But here's the condition of the car now. And yeah, we're gonna dig this thing out and actually give you guys a tour of it. So stay tuned, and we'll show you what's up. And just like that, we got it cleaned off. Now the goal is to see if she'll start. So
I've not seen her in a while, so I'm gonna eye over everything and make sure everything's supposed to be there is still there, because some things may be misplaced at this point. Starter wire is on it. Cool's good. Good on oil. Good on oil. Got trans fluid in it. There's fuel in the back bowl. There's not fuel in the front bowl.
shout out to that custom carburetor cover.
That is a CD cap, a CD case cap, and it fits perfectly for a 4150.
Just look at the neglect here, guys. Look at that.
That makes me so sad. Those valve covers are beautiful.
But she'll be back.
Alright. All the fuses are still in it. Check the battery. Battery is still where it should be. A little bit easier to get in this race car now that I don't weigh 400 pounds.
Yeah, that's on.
Fuel pump. Sounds a little dry, but we got fuel coming out of the mains. Let's see what it'll do. Oh. Battery dead. Shame, shame.
No biggie. Go.
Let's try this again.
telling you guys, this year is about to be epic. This car right here is going to surprise a lot of people. I had to get out of there. I could barely hear myself. But anyways, we're going to get this thing moved, and I'll show you guys it loaded on the truck. What's up, guys? Had to come back to the gas station to get some fuel. The car was a little low. But yeah, we're going to get gas in it, and then we're going to try to get that thing through all the mud. So stay tuned. Let's feed this pig. No spill challenge. Up. Got a nice flow now.
Starting to do the burping thing.
Make sure not to get towards the battery.
The fuel cell's so far down in the trunk, it's literally impossible to fill this thing without spilling a ton of fuel.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the way that Blaine put this fuel cell in here, it's like you still have a complete trunk.
I can put subs in here.
I mean, it is a street car.
This is a bigger fuel capacity cell than the factory one.
Yeah, how many gallons does this one hold?
16.
16-gallon tank in this pig.
I don't know the gas mileage specs, so it probably wouldn't go very far, but
Yeah.
it can hold a lot.
They'll probably get 1 month of a gallon.
No, I don't know. It uses a good bit of it. And it burns race fuel really fast.
Yeah, but night freeze.
The race fuel burns a lot faster anyway.
Anyway, we'll get this pig filled up, and we'll be right back. The aftermath. far as you can see. So I totally forgot to film us taking it off the trailer, but it is home, and it's ready for us to start working on and getting this thing ready. I think we have come up with a name for it, and I think the name is going to be D-O-B. Leave a comment, let me know what you think D-O-B means, and I will see if anybody gets it right, and if nobody gets it right, then I will let you guys know what it is.
If you get it right, we send you an autographed hat.
Sounds good. But anyway, she's home, and we're about to put in some work, so you guys be ready for that, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.